Okay, so I want to show you guys how I was able to make $100 profit, like the whole process of how I did it with Facebook ads and with just one product. So let's get into it. So what I did was, okay, so step one is I created a Facebook page on the niche, on the product that I wanted to do, which was sea turtle necklaces. So I made a page for sea turtles, and basically I got the product from this website, Ecom Hunt. So I found the product. It's I don't know where it is anymore, but I'm just gonna click a random one right here. Uh, this one, Wolf Washer Dog Wash, whatever it is. Yeah, and it even shows you the selling price and the product cost and the profit margin. You don't have to. I didn't follow that, but it's nice to just see it. So yeah, I got it from Ecom Hunt. And it was actually this product right here, and it's still selling a lot. Look, 900 orders today. So this is a product that I got, and then yeah, just so I made the Facebook page based on this product, the sea turtle necklace right here, which I got from here. So I did that. That's the first step. The second step is to do the research. So I went to Audience Insights on the Facebook Business Manager, and I just started with something simple. I just did sea turtles. That's it. And then I just go to page likes, and I just start looking at these pages right here, and then just like check it out. Okay, so this is about like basically sea animals. I could use this page for sure. A million likes, that's good. So what I do is basically I have an Excel spreadsheet, and I just start putting the pages, and I actually organize them too, like uh, just nonprofit ones, shop, websites, public services. So I got all these pages. I even did Hawaii. I got all these Hawaii pages too. So yeah, I just look for these pages on the audience insights, and I do my research here and everything like that. Add them right here, and I'm gonna use this later for my Facebook ads. All right, step three, creating the ad. So my ad, like yeah, you need like the sales copy. You need like maybe like scarcity, some marketing strategy to make this ad like look good. What I did was like I'll just show you what I did actually. So mine is right here. Look. $10 off today only. That's like the scarcity right there. More scarcity. Shop now before it's too late. And yeah, that's it. That's it was a 20-second video that I made from this app called Quick on my iPhone, and yeah, I just this was my ad. And then like pretty much like the hardest part is the ads, the actual ads, the actual Facebook ads. The It's called flex targeting or combo targeting, whatever you want to call it. But this is basically what you do. So I started off with engagement because I wanted to purchase data, basically get to see who likes it, see like who would actually buy it. Maybe if I get sales or not, doesn't matter. What I want is the data. Like I don't know who actually wants the sea turtle necklaces. So I just put engagement. Yeah, I'll just call it that. Just engagement. Oh shit. Hold up. Okay, I'm back. So let's call it. I'll just call it combo sea turtle combo one. No, none of that. I'll just start with United States, 18 through 55. That's like the best age range right here. Nobody's gonna buy after like 50, 56. And I'll just put English. Or you can leave it blank since it's the United States, but just put it. All right, so this is where the research helps me out a lot. So I get one of the pages right here. Actually, I get like I'll do like all these pages. So let's see, sea turtle. So there it is. And all right, so I'm just gonna add the pages right here. So hold up. Okay, so I just put just sea turtles like that. That's how simple it is. Just straight up sea turtles. And I just wanted to, yeah, just sea turtles, and then uh, make sure to put like never do like Facebook and Instagram. Just do it like just Facebook. If you're gonna do Instagram, just do Instagram, but just Facebook. So take this away. I don't need that. Insta articles, nah. Instagram videos, none of that. Just make it as simple as that. Just Facebook feeds. And right now for this one, since I'm doing like all ages, I'll just do both mobile and desktop, and then I'll just do $5 a day. Run my ad set continuously starting today. So I'll do that, and at least do it for 4 days. Just just let it sit there for 4 days, and then yes, that's pretty much it for this part right here. You don't have to worry about any of that. Continue. Just combo one. Combo one. And yeah, I just put the ad, which I already showed you guys. This one right here. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Just did that. Confirm. Done. And I want to like what I did was three of these. I called it combo one, combo two, and combo three. Basically, what I do. Let's go back to audience. So make like another ad set, and what I do is like I put narrow audience, and then I just put like people that are interested in sea turtles and Hawaii, something like that. It's more narrow. It's more like more. Yeah, it's just people that like sea turtles and Hawaii, so that's why it's like way less. And yeah, I'll just put more pages from here from my research. Hawaii. I'll just put Hawaii. Hawaii. No, didn't make a difference. But I just kept adding until I got like a couple more thousand, and I did that for combo. I just do combo two, then I'll make another ad set, combo three. Maybe I do just just people are like just Hawaii or something like that. Okay, that's way too high, but I just keep narrowing it down until I get to like maybe 1 million or 2 million. And yeah, I just let all those ads run, those ad sets, with the same ad, by the way. Same ad, which is this one right here. After doing that, just let them sit there for like 4 days, 3 to 4 days, just to get the data. And once you have the data, just break it down. So I'll look at the age, and then look at like um, who's buying it. Because I did get purchases after like the second or third day. So I saw like what age it was, and I saw it was like mostly 18 to 24-year-olds, female. And then I put like the what else, the platform and device, like what they're using, like was it mobile or desktop. It was mostly mobile. Like iPhone or Android. It was mostly like Android, I think. I don't know, but basically I wrote it all down. I broke it down. I wrote everything down, and I saw like what age, what gender, what, like everything like that. And I made another ad focusing on that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did. I created a Facebook page. I did my research with the spreadsheet right here. I looked for the Facebook pages that were for like the niche that I was going for, which is the turtles, sea turtles. And then I created the ad, which I showed you this video right here. It's very simple, 20 seconds. That's all. And then I did my combo targeting, where I got two different interests or just one interest, and then just did 3 different ad sets for that. And then I just broke it down. I basically read the data right there. You saw the age, the gender, what device they're using, all that. And then I just made another ad, and this time it was for like conversions, and the rest is like more complicated. If you want to know, if you want to see how I do it, if you want to see like more in depth of like how I do the Facebook ads, because this is like more like basic, and I actually learned this from a course, and I'll have the link in the description. And yeah, he pretty much taught me all of this. I learned it within like a couple days, and I got like $100. I'm like really new to Shopify too, so really helped a lot. So if you want to see more Facebook tutorials, just let me know down below. And yeah, it's pretty much it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. But yeah,